Emily. Hi, Miss Cronin. I wanted to talk to you guys today because, Emily, you're doing really good in math, and I love that. So I wanted to see what else we could work on to make sure that you're really good at that too. So we were thinking, we talked and we were thinking that we would like it if you would tell me what you were thinking during math class, because I know that you're great at math and I know that you can think it, but I want you to tell me. The whole reason it's important for you to tell me what you're thinking is if you're right, I can tell you good job and I know that you understand the material, but if you don't get the answer right, then I know that I can help you in that area of math. Do you understand that? Okay. So what we're thinking is we have a chart, and what I want you to do is during math, I want you to be able to tell me what you're thinking 3 times. So we have this chart here, and this will go right in your agenda when you come to math. We'll start math class. And let's say I have a math problem, and I say, what's 2 times 1?
2?
2, you're right. So you told me the answer. You told me it was 2. So you're going to take your pencil and you're going to mark, say it's Monday. You're going to put a check mark in that box. So go ahead and do that. And I'll say you're right, and I'll give you a reminder with my finger that you get a check mark for that. So let's say then I give you another one. A few minutes later down the road, 10 times 2.
I don't know it. I think it might be 20. Tell the teacher. No.
Okay, do you think that you would get a check mark then? You do not get a check mark. You told Miss Cronin, and that's right, but you need to tell me. And it's okay to tell her, and she'll remind you to tell me, but then you need to tell me. So you wouldn't get a check mark for that. So you would try again the next time. So let's say, for example, we have another one later in math. What is 11 times 8?
80.
Okay, do you think you get a check mark for that? You do get a check mark. The math wasn't quite right, but you did tell me. You told me what you thought, and that's good because even though the math wasn't right, now I know that I could help you with this math problem, okay? So you would take your pencil and you would put a check in the second box. And I would remind you and say, oh, that's not quite right. This is what the answer is, and help you with that. So when you go through math, when you get 3 check marks, that's your goal every day, is to get 3 check marks, telling me 3 times what you think, even if it's right or wrong. At the end of math, if you have those 3, you'll get a reward. And I know some of those things that you like would be like going on the computer, maybe you want a treat or a certain sticker. And we can write on here what the reward is. You get to pick each day what that reward is. And then I'll write it down so that I know that I need to give you the reward or that I have given the reward to you. Are there any rewards that you can think of that you want to add to that list?
I know you like to draw after you're done with your homework.
To draw, have some time to draw, okay, and we can put that on that list. So then we'll have a list of the rewards that you like, and you'll get to pick which one you want for that day. And we'll keep track of it, and hopefully you can get those. We'll try it today in math and see how it goes. Do you think you can do something like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.